These 4 ingredients will reduce sweating quickly and easily. If you sweat a lot, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to show you how to reduce sweating, in all natural. Yes, these 4 natural ingredients will reduce sweating and you will feel wonderful. Sweating, here's what you need to know. Well, when your body heats up from weather, exercise, stress, your brain sends the message that your system is overheating. The message travels to nerves that lead to the more than 2 million sweat glands that lie under your skin. And that's when they send moisture through the sweat ducts to your skin surface. The evaporation from your skin is what cools the body. The experts say that your hypothalamus is a thermostat. If the body's core temperature goes up, it sends out a message for sweating to start. And when the temperature goes down, it shuts the sweat off again. Consisting of water, salt, and electrolytes, most sweat doesn't smell. What does smell is the mixture of sweat with other bodily substances. Your body has 2 kinds of sweat glands: eccrine, which regulate body temperature, and apocrine, which release pheromones. The apocrine glands, which are found in the underarms and groin and develop during adolescence, secrete a viscous mixture that also contains proteins and fats. Body odor starts when that sweat mixes with bacteria on your skin. Besides the cooling function, sweat also serves an important purpose for signaling healthy and normal bodily function. If you're in the middle of an intense activity and stop sweating, it's a sign of dehydration. 1 apple cider vinegar. Did you know that the super healthy ingredient apple cider vinegar works as a powerful natural deodorant, because it destroys bacteria, which are the main cause for the bad odor? How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to apply this ingredient once a day on the armpits. Here's what you need to do. Soak a cotton pad in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water 2:1 ration and use it to clean the areas on your skin where you sweat a lot, and make sure you do this treatment every night before you go to sleep. 2 baking soda. Yes, you can use this powerful ingredient to get rid of the unpleasant odor of sweat. And the best thing about this ingredient is that it's safe, all natural and cheap, and yes, you can buy this ingredient at any local health store. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to mix baking soda and some water and rub this mixture on the affected area. You should rub it on your skin, let it dry, and then you need to get rid of the powder with a clean towel. That's it, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. 3 black tea. This super healthy tea contains high amounts of tannin, which acts as a natural antiperspirant, and it also reduces excessive sweating. It's very simple. You just have to boil half a cup of water and add 2 bags of a black tea. Remove the bags after 1 minute and put them aside on a plate to cool. Then you should put the bags under your armpits or on the area of the body where you sweat a lot. Leave it for 5 minutes and then remove them. You will be amazed by the results. 4 lemon. Did you know that lemon can help you control the bad body odor and help you against excessive sweating? Well, yes, because the citric acid found in lemon kills bacteria and acts as a natural deodorant. Note: you should be very careful, and after using this lemon trick you should not go out in the sun. Here's what you need to do: just cut the lemon in half and put it under your armpits. Leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse the skin with water. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and take care.